Hello, I'm Nick Caffes, one of the cerebrovascular and endovascular fellows here at the Swedish Neuroscience Institute. Here's what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. The University of California, San Francisco will host our interesting spine case discussion series Tuesday evening. Thoracic disc herniation will be discussed in great detail. Dr. Timo Krings from the University of Toronto will be our guest Wednesday morning at our cerebrovascular Q&A discussion series. He will outline the classification and management of spinal vascular malformations. Join us Thursday morning for our Neuroradiology Grand Rounds case conference. And mark your calendar for February 9th, when we will hold our 9th annual Innovative Approaches to Brain Tumor Management course. In-person spots are very limited, so sign up today. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thank you very much for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.